to chapter factors and multiple. Multiple. A multiple of a number is the number obtained by multiply it with other or same number. Every number is a multiple of itself. Multiple of number greater than or equal. Multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Every multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number of multiple of a number are infinite, not countable.